Yo, so this is how it is here, man. Even me, it's like my first time seeing this, man. But every day that I explore this place, I find new places, man. You can see here. And then inside there, of course, it's like, it's still wet and muddy. Show you quickly. See how it is here. Came from that side, then there's like an open field. Here, dog barking. All right, so I've come out here. I came out from the right. If you're looking from my side, looking ahead, where those two people are at the end, I came out from the right side, out of those trees. There's a path there, you can't see it from here. Now I've come across this pond. And I'm hearing what sounds like gossip. The definition and happening of gossip. Okay, hear that noise here. Oh, okay, I can even see. Okay, so it turns out to be frogs. Look at them. Look, one jumped in there. So it's hard to track them because they've adapted so well. They're like the same color as the water. Actually, you can't see it. That's why there are two right there. You see that? Hold on. See that on that root? There, right there. Where there's that ripple. Then just to the left of the ripple. There, it's there. One of them swam away. Anyways, they've adapted so well. It makes sense. When the leaves fall down, they're brown. The water turns brown, they can camouflage. Wow. Okay, so. Alright. Now I know what they are. They really sound so different. Because the ones back home, really, it was all about croaking, man. These ones here just sound like some. It's like there's something with their. They don't sound like frogs. They sound something that would be like. They sound like they have baby cry. They sound like some infant, some infant sound of some animal, but they're frogs, man. This is interesting. It's something new. All right, okay. So that's how the trail is. They even tell you what kind of animals are there. I feel like this place is small enough for people to get lost. It's okay. Anyways, all right. That's the map. It's convenient. Also, I guess it makes sense. There are visitors that come here too, so it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense for that sign to be like that. People could get lost.
Asianza tietara, anikuru tietora, ekwina vemira seko yirande.
It's a bit humid, but it's better than the cold. So, all right, guys, it's time to take off.
So this a going, the boy from Uganda, na this me talanta. Esu tupa musara ki musoro diridi na kengwi sara.